Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and today's video is all about this makeup look here. If you look in the palette, you notice it's super duper colorful, and so I wanted to give you guys a sultry but still very colorful and wearable for going out, I guess, when outside opens back up. This look is very glam. It's very me. You guys know I love a pop of shimmer on the lids. I love to play with purples and pinks, and that is exactly what I did today. If you're interested in seeing me glam up these eyes, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Let me know in the comments down below how you're feeling about the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know some people are on the fence about it just because of all of the drama surrounding it, but the only drama I'm a part of is the drama on my lids, and that's about it, okay? But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys really enjoy the look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I'll see you all in my next one.
Back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, 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 back it up. Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Like you owe your tax, owe me back 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 like you owe your tax. Say what, back it up. Say what, say what, just to back it, say what, back it up, say what, back it up, say what, say what, just to back it, say what, back it up, say what, back it up, say what, back like you owe your tax, 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 back like you owe your tax. Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan. like you owe.
And this pretty much completes the look. I went ahead and, of course, you know, finished up with my foundation routine. I added a lip color, but this video was really just to focus solely on the eyes. The next look, I'll probably be doing like a neon pinkish type of vibe. So let me know if you're interested in that. Besides that, talk to me in the comments. I'm always there. I always appreciate all the love you guys always give me. And I appreciate all of the returning subscribers. I recognize you. I see you guys all the time. And I just appreciate you for riding with me through the years. That pretty much wraps up the look. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next one.